All right, today we have a different background on this video because I traveled home for Christmas. Currently, I'm in Idemili South local government area of Anambra State. Okay, that's my hometown. So today I want to quickly walk you through on some things you need to know if you're making less than $100 monthly on Amazon KDP. All right. I decided to do this video instead of waiting to travel back because I know it's very important. Yeah, there are some things you need to know because everybody wants to make money on Amazon KDP. All right. The first thing is you need to write books that have potentials to sell. All right. Don't just go there and start writing anything you want to write. No. Or something you feel like is a passion. Write something that people want to read. What people are searching for on the number one e-commerce platform in the world. All right. What they're searching for on Amazon, the kind of book they want to read. All right. How do you know about the kind of book people want to read? I have a video I made on keyword research. I'm going to link that in the description so you can go watch that video to learn about this. All right. So when you understand the message in that video and apply it, then you are one step ahead of making nothing less than $50 every month on Amazon KDP. Sorry, nothing less than $100 every month on Amazon KDP. Okay. So another thing you need to do is make your research. All right. When you discover the book you want to write about, it's important to make your research so that when you are passing your message to your potential audience, it will be clear. It's not something somebody will come and read that will be like, no, this guy is not into this skill. It's not into this kind of thing. He doesn't know what he's saying. That can kill that book prematurely. So you need to make proper research, use Google for your research, and use YouTube for your research too, so that they will teach you visually on how to complete certain tasks. There's something about listening to videos because it's like somebody's talking to you, teaching you a particular thing. All right. So that's very important. So you need to make your research very well using the necessary tools that will present you with the basic and the fundamental and the best information you want to have in your book. I'm not saying you should copy something, but understand it and have it in the book to pass your message to the people. All right, another point or another thing you need to do if you're making less than $100 monthly on Amazon KDP is to try different niches. Yes, try different niches. There are some niches that are more competitive than the other. All right, so when you try this and you're not getting much sales, you try another niche, sales may start coming from there. If that one is not giving enough sales, you try another niche. All right, I've tried different niches. I've tried tech. I have tried skill acquisition. We talk about welding and the rest. Okay, I've tried woodworking. All right, so at the end, you will get to understand, okay, this is what sells more. This is where I am good or at. All right, then you focus more on that. All right, so don't just focus on just one niche at the beginning. Okay, if you try this book in a one niche and it doesn't work because of competition, you try another. By the time you try all these things and have a lot of books across different niches, you make money. And one thing about different niches is that is variety. So maybe when a particular season is not for that particular niche, then the one on the other niche will start selling for you. Okay, but in all this, you need to make good research to make sure that you are passing the information and the correct information to the book readers. All right, don't rush it. Okay, you try this one today, you try this one tomorrow, and when you have books across all these niches, there's no how at the end of the month, maybe after you have published for 6 months, you will not be making up to $100 every month. No. So try, okay? Try different niches. Then another point is to niche down, right? That's what some people don't know. Instead of writing a book on real estate guide, all right, or real estate, just the title, real estate, but I write a book on real estate for beginners or real estate for people over 40 years. That is niching down because in a situation like that, you know that these are just your target audience. So know how, somebody that's over 40 years or somebody that is just a beginner can come across that book and buy it. But if you have a topic like just real estate or real estate guide, you sell a lot of books in that particular title. So your own may be filtered down to the bottom of the search engine when people search for that title on Amazon. So please niche down. It will help you to sell. Since I started niching down on my books, I made a lot of sales and I'm still making a lot of sales today. All right. You can have it real estate for seniors. All right. Because in that case, you're targeting senior citizens in the United States, in America, United States of America, in Canada, in UK. All right. So just apply that strategy and it will help your book to get more visibility to the targeted audience and you make more money in return. The next point is your book cover should be nice. Your book cover should be great. If you're not good in book cover design, look for somebody that will design book cover for you. Pay him. Even if it's $5 or $3, pay him because you are doing business by doing so. All right? Have a captivating description. When you apply all these things, with time, you will start making nothing less than $100 every month in 2025. This is a new year. So I want you to start strong. Okay? Implement this and you will get the result you need. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we talk about a lot of things, including self-publishing and tech. Okay? Hit the like button, the one that points up, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. And leave a comment. You can watch this video on top to learn more on self-publishing. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.